the UK punk band, the Red Bastards, and also UK and Ireland touring drummer for the New York City ska legends, the Toasters. What can I say? I've been using Collision for the last few months, and the 5A sticks, absolutely fantastic drumsticks. I can't speak highly enough about them, and of all the, all the brands of sticks I've used over the years, these are without a doubt, hands down, the best sticks I've used. The balance, the feel, and the durability of them are second to none. So yeah, I can't recommend them high enough to, to any drummer out there. You should really go out there and check out Collision Drumsticks, and I can guarantee you won't be sorry once you've tried them out, and I don't think you'll go back to anything else. So yeah, so I'm going to leave you now with my video of me playing through one of our tunes, the Red Bastards, and this is the opening track of our debut album, and it's called Give Me No Shit. Thank you.